Hey guys, it's James with AutOdometer. Today we're going to be detailing the exterior of my 1999 Toyota 4Runner. It's been almost a year since the last time that I detailed this 4Runner. I'll be doing my best to follow all the detailing techniques that I've learned here in the past year, but if you see me doing anything incorrectly, head down into the comments and let me know. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the detail. After completely drying the vehicle, there's a few things that I like to do just to round out the detail and really make the car look nice. First up, I like to apply a sealant to the back and front windshields. Now this should give me about 3 to 6 months of beading protection on the windshield, depending on how often I use my windshield washer fluid. The next finishing touch that I like to do is to go around the vehicle and see if there are any scratches on the vehicle that can be removed by a compound. And one of the most common scratches are key scratches on your door handle. Another finishing touch that I like to do is to apply a dressing to the black trim pieces and to the tires. Now the product that I'm using can be used for both. It's sort of an all-in-one vinyl and rubber dressing. However, a lot of products you cannot switch between the tire and the black trim. And of course, you want to protect the paint. Now, applying a spray wax is one of the most simplest and quickest ways to apply protection to your car. And with the introduction of ceramic spray waxes here in the past year, it's become extremely easy to apply waxes that can last up to a year. The Meguiar's hybrid ceramic spray wax that I applied to my Sequoia is still going strong about 7 months later. All you have to do to maintain your car paint is use a few quick detailers and wipe off the surface dirt every now and then. And that wraps up this detail. If you want to see more details like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like button. And with that, thanks for watching.